Starting. Jake's in back.
Is it going to be heavy enough to get her going, Russ?
It's got lift already.
Ooh.
Moving to the bottom corners, Mom.
Excitement. And Pop-Pop's stuck with the dog.
It's got plenty of lift. Hey,
He's loving
count
it.
down, Jake.
5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last stop.
You letting go, Russ?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that's good. Good one.
Good lift. There it goes.
See, there's the bottom.
Yeah. It wants to look a little shaky.
Uh-oh,
It's going to burn.
Yeah, it probably will.
uh-oh.
It's going to fall right on us.
Oh, wow, it's got a fluttering.
It's got fire. Tissue paper balloon burns house on lake. Tomorrow's headline.
Everybody's excited. Look at the joy.
Fire, doesn't it, Russ?
Uh-oh. Now it probably is.
Uh-oh. Oh, there's some flames gonna happen.
Mayday, mayday.
Oh no! Oh no, it's dirt to dirt. Uh-oh. Is it that Oh, it's on fire. Oh, it's on fire.
Is it on fire?
It's burning.
Candle and tissue paper.
It's on fire.
Well, so do I. Free time, Russ.
I know it's not on fire yet. Russ, if it gets on fire, that'd go really fast.